Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open contact, then you have to select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You can take photo or just select photo from the gallery, like I'm going to do. Then you have to select the photo, then tap, and then you have to crop it like this, for example, then tap done and then save, and after that image will be edited. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.